Hi everyone, and welcome to the autumn edition of RBA News, where we'll be focusing on the federal budget for 2022. Well, it's been a whirlwind start to this year again, and it's following the trend of recent years, where we've seen plenty of volatility in the stock market and more terrible natural disasters, with the floods in New South Wales and Queensland causing carnage in recent weeks. We also have a war raging in the Ukraine and escalating cost of living pressures on Australian families. Our hearts go out to everyone doing it tough at the moment. To top it off, we had to farewell an Aussie icon following the sudden passing of the late, great Shane Warne. Being at his memorial was a surreal experience, and the great takeaway was to make the most of the life we have and to spend quality time with the ones we love. Vale Shane. So on to Tuesday night's budget. Once again, this is a big spending budget designed to keep the economy growing and relieve some cost of living pressures. It does feel like a lot of headline grabbing measures to help the coalition get re-elected in May. The only announcement regarding superannuation is the continuation of the reduced minimum pension drawdown for another 12 months. I will, however, mention some measures from last year's budget that have only just been legislated. They'll take effect from the 1st of July 2022, where individuals aged 67 to 74 will no longer need to meet the work test requirement to make non-concessional and salary sacrifice contributions to super. In addition, these same individuals will be able to access a 3-year non-concessional bring forward arrangement. It's also worth noting the $450 per month super guarantee income threshold has been removed. So all employers will have to pay superannuation guarantee on all their staff payments. The eligibility for the downsizer super contribution has been reduced from 65 to 60. This allows up to $300,000 from the sale of a family home to be contributed to super for each eligible member of a couple. The popular First Home Guarantee Scheme has been extended to 35,000 places if you can supply a 5% deposit yourself. There are 5,000 places under the Family Home Guarantee, targeting single parents with a 2% deposit, regardless of previous home ownership. They've also announced 10,000 places under a new Regional Home Guarantee, targeting individuals who have not owned a home for 5 years, who relocate to a regional location, and can supply a 5% deposit. When it comes to tax, all eyes will be on the petrol bowser, as the fuel excise tax has been halved to theoretically save you 22 cents per litre. Buyer beware here. Check the fuel prices before you fill up to make sure the saving is being passed on to you, as price gouging could happen here. The low and middle income tax offset will also increase, providing a $420 tax refund for this financial year for those earning up to $126,000. Small businesses with a turnover under $50 million can claim 120% of their expenditure on external training for employees and technology-related expenses. The government has also proposed an additional 15,000 places in their job trainer program. There is a once-off $250 cost of living bonus for eligible Social Security recipients, payable in April, just in time for the election campaign. There's also a simplified parental leave scheme for 20 weeks, replacing the 18-week parental and 2-week partner payment. So, will this budget sway your votes? Who knows? Will we see a new PM in May? The jury is out on that. For a deeper analysis, please read our federal budget summary. And as always, if you have any questions or queries, or would like to talk to one of our advisors, please give us a call. Thanks for now, and speak to you soon.